Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2004, paper 3, question number 5 we have. And what is the plan here? First part, we are proving from left to right or right to left. Okay, so I'm going to start first proving part. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Um, we have two formulas available. So first formula we use normally is for cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And if you look at carefully, this cos square we have here. So I will make a subject. So this one will add and 2 will divide. So it means cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2. Similar manner, I have a formula for sine even. And that formula I'm writing cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So this sine square theta available here. So I will try to make a subject sine square the way I made here. So when the whole thing come here and cos square goes there. So 1 minus cos 2 theta and 2 sine square comes here. And this 2 will divide under it. And I do directly. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So it is very clear. So we have proved the second. Now both link, I'm going to use left hand side. So I'm going to plug in sine square theta plus cos square theta is our actual question. In the place of sine square theta, I put this one. So 1 minus cos 2 theta over 2 times 2, 1 plus cos 4 theta, so 2 theta by 2. Now this 2 and 2 multiplies, 2 2s are 4. And in the bracket, 1 into 1. And you know, first term match, second term match, and sign in the middle opposite, like a formula of a plus b into a minus b. If you multiply them, we get a squared minus b squared. Or you can multiply as you wish, no problem. I get 1 square and minus cos square of 2 theta. 1 square is 1, so no need to write a square. So ultimately, I reached at this level. Now again, I need a value of cos square, but this time here is a single theta. You can say single theta, but here I need double theta. And what to do? So same formula I will use here, but what is the connection between them? When I use this formula, here theta, here it becomes double theta. It means if I have a cos square 2 theta, what will happen? 1 plus cos 4 theta divided by 2. If you don't believe me, so you can use the same here 2 theta becomes single theta. So if we have a 4 theta, this becomes 2 theta. So ultimately that 2 theta comes here, and here 4 theta will stay there. So this value I'm going to use here. So 1 over 4 in the bracket, I am writing it here 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2. And I will take LCM. So LCM is 2, and this 2 multiply with a 1, 2 ones are 2, but make sure this minus is a common. So negative 1 and negative cos 4 theta. And ultimately, I'm getting answer. This 2 and 4 multiply, I get 8. In the bracket, this 2 minus 1, I got a 1 minus cos 4 theta. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, right side is achieved. So this is a way you can finish the first part. And now I'm going for part number 2. So second part I'm going to do now. So he said exact value of this. Problem is that we can do directly, not easy to solve this one directly. But is this fully matched? Yes, it's fully matched with that. So it means I will take a help from here. Is this same? Yes, same. So I can remove it whole thing and copy the whole thing here. So I'm going to start. 0 to pi by 3 and 1 over 8 cos 4 theta d theta. So this 1 over 4 I can bring outside, make question easier. Inside I have 0 to pi by 3 and 1 minus cos 4 theta d theta. All of you familiar how to integrate 1, so it's become theta, and cos integration is sine 4 theta divided by angles derivative, that is a 4, and limit is 0 to pi by 3. And I have seen many students, they put the limits all together. Don't put all together, students. And you plug in first 4 pi by 3 here, sine, it turns 4 pi by 3 and over 4. Upper limit is confirmed minus. When I put 0 here and here, I get the same. I get this 0, 0. So now what to do? So onward, I'm going to complete now here. So 1 over 8 outside, inside I got pi by 3. Now here I will use calculator, and make sure it is convert in radians. Okay, whenever topic of integration differentiation we are doing, we must convert our calculator in radians. So 4 times to 4 pi by 3, it gives us negative root 3 by 2. So negative root 3 by 2, so negative into negative become plus. Okay, I'm going to show you both properly so you can understand what is going on. Now this minus into minus become plus 1 over 8 already inside. And there's an LCM, I can write this minus into minus plus, and 2 comes down, 4 to the 8. So pi by 3 and minus minus plus root 3 by 8. And you take LCM. So exact answer you're asking LCM is you can leave it here even, or last step I'm going to tell you. What is the LCM? 8 to the 24, 24, and 8 and 24 become 192. And in the bracket, 8 multiplies there, 8 pi, and this multiplies there, and it become 3 root 3. So write this way or this, both are correct answers. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we finished the question.